In this video, I'll show you how to use Napkin AI to create professional visuals for LinkedIn. Let's get started. First, I'll select the blank napkin option to start with a clean workspace. Now, I'll type in the core content for my post, which outlines a three-pillar strategy for scaling an online course. I'm including points on content authority, community engagement, and automated systems to give the AI enough context to work with. Once my text is ready, I'll click the lightning bolt icon to bring up the AI suggestions. After clicking the generated visual icon, I can browse through various styles like mind maps or frameworks to see which one fits my message best. Once I've chosen a style, I can further explore different designs and layouts within that category. I'm going to settle on this iceberg framework because it perfectly represents the idea of sustainable growth. To start customizing, I'll click the Ungroup button so I can move each element freely. I'll select the main header and change the font to Source Code Pro, then adjust the text size to make it more impactful. Next, I'll refine the colors of the visual itself by selecting the different segments and picking a palette that stands out. I'll also change the text color for the labels to ensure everything is easy to read. I can even customize the small details like changing the bullet points into check marks for a cleaner look. Finally, when the design is exactly how I want it, I'll click the Export button. I'll choose the PNG format. After a quick download, my visual is ready to be shared. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Napkin AI to create LinkedIn visuals.